Welcome. In front of me I have ZEBLAZE Stratos 2 Ultra, and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of steps taken on this watch. So to track the steps on this watch, first you will need to wake up the screen, of course, so press the select button. And after you wake up the screen, you can track the steps in a few ways. The first way is to do it on the watch face, because some of the watch faces display that info. This one doesn't, but if you open the watch face menu by pressing and holding on the current watch face, you can scroll through the menu and look for something that displays the step counter. For example, let's see, this one displays calories. This one displays steps. And here we have the step counter. Another way to check the steps is to open the activity widget. And you can do it by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. And here we have the activity widget, and we have calories and steps. The green one is the steps, basically. And you can also tap on the widget to open the activity menu. And here we have, again, the graph. But you can also scroll down. Oh, no, my bad. Not scroll down. Yeah, you should be able to scroll down. So tap on show more, my bad. So basically you scroll down, tap on show more. And here you can scroll down and see the graph for the whole week, basically. You can check the data for the whole week for the steps right here. And last way to check it is to use the phone application if your watch is paired with a phone. So if it is, you can grab the phone that is paired with your watch. Actually, let me close this, zoom out the camera. And on the phone that is paired with your watch, you can open the GloryFit Pro application. And here in the app, you will see the, again, activity widget, and we have the step count. You can tap on it and you can check the data. And you have graph for the daily, weekly, and monthly progression. So you can track the data for quite a lot of days, months, and stuff like that. So, of course, remember that your watch needs to be paired with the phone for this to work. Okay, and that's how you track the amount of steps taken on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.